Welcome to Monaco, where the roar of the fastest race cars meets the sparkle of the most luxurious yachts on the Mediterranean. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure during the Grand Prix 2025, filled with speed, glamour, and stunning sights. The race cars here are engineering marvels, boasting cutting-edge technology and blistering speeds. And the yachts? They're floating palaces, offering unparalleled luxury and comfort. From the meticulous preparation of the race teams to the opulent gatherings on the yachts, every moment in Monaco is a blend of high-octane excitement and lavish indulgence. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Beyond Borders with Chic, your ultimate travel guide for stylish adventures around the globe. If you're new here, hit subscribe and ring the bell to join our travel family. Today, we're diving into one of the world's most glamorous events, the Monaco Grand Prix 2025. I'll share how to survive the race week chaos and reveal some must-visit places around Monaco so you can make the most of your trip. Let's get started. The Monaco Grand Prix is not just about the race. It's a week-long celebration of speed, luxury, and style. From celebrity sightings to exclusive parties, there's so much to experience. We'll also explore the best places to stay, dine, and enjoy the breathtaking views of Monaco. And of course, we'll be right there for the thrilling race moments and the grand celebrations. Stay tuned. Tip number 1. Book accommodation early. Monaco fills up months in advance during Grand Prix week. If you can't find a hotel in Monaco, look for nearby cities like Nice or Menton and commute by train or taxi. Tip number 2. Use public transport and walk. Traffic is brutal, parking is rare and expensive, Monaco is compact and walkable, buses are a good option and cheaper than taxis. Tip number 3. Budget carefully. Prices skyrocket during the race. Restaurants, drinks, and souvenirs all cost more. Plan your budget accordingly or eat outside main tourist areas. Tip number 4. Secure race tickets early. Whether you want grandstand seats, hospitality, or watching from bars, book your tickets as soon as possible to avoid disappointment. Tip number 5. Dress smart and comfortable. Monaco is stylish, but you'll be walking and standing a lot. Comfortable shoes and layers for cooler evenings are a must. Tip number 6. Plan your days. Schedule race events, practice sessions, and sightseeing to avoid missing out on key moments and to beat crowds. Tip number 7. Stay hydrated and protect yourself from the sun. The sun can be intense. Carry water, wear sunscreen, and bring a hat and sunglasses to stay protected. Tip number 8. Use technology to your advantage. Use mobile apps for navigation, booking services, and checking event schedules to make your experience smoother. Tip number 9. Explore local culture. Take some time to explore Monaco's local culture, cuisine, and markets. It's a great way to enrich your trip. Tip number 10. Find time to relax. Amidst the excitement, find some quieter spots to relax and recharge. Enjoy the beauty of Monaco at a slower pace. The Prince's Palace of Monaco. Explore the stunning official residence with its changing of the guard ceremony and amazing views over the city and sea. Oceanographic Museum of Monaco. Discover a world-class aquarium and marine museum perched dramatically on the cliffside. Monte Carlo Casino. Even if you don't gamble, visit this iconic landmark for its stunning Belle Epoque architecture and glamorous atmosphere. Jardin Exotique de Monaco. Wander through beautiful, exotic gardens filled with rare plants and enjoy panoramic views over the city. Larvado Beach. Take a break on the Pebble Beach to soak up the sun and Mediterranean waters. Perfect for relaxing between race events. Port Hercules. Watch magnificent yachts docked in the famous harbor, a hotspot for luxury and people watching during race week. The Monaco Cathedral. Visit the Monaco Cathedral where Prince Rainier III and Princess Grace are laid to rest. Admire its stunning Roman Byzantine architecture and beautiful stained glass windows. The Japanese Garden. Experience tranquility in the Japanese Garden, a peaceful oasis with a koi pond and traditional Japanese landscaping. Stroll through serene pathways and over traditional bridges. The Monaco Grand Prix Circuit. Walk the famous Monaco Grand Prix Circuit, including the iconic hairpin turn. Feel the thrill of the race as you explore the start-finish line and grandstands. If you're enjoying these beautiful shots of Monaco's glamorous race cars and yachts, make sure to subscribe to Beyond Borders with Chic and hit the notification bell. There's so much more to explore in Monaco and beyond. You won't want to miss it. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos on luxury travel, exclusive events, and insider tips. Join our community of travel enthusiasts and never miss an adventure. Your journey to the world's most glamorous destinations starts here. Welcome back to our Monaco Adventure series. If you haven't seen the first part, it covers survival tips and some top Monaco attractions during the Grand Prix. We explored the vibrant streets, the bustling markets, and the iconic Casino de Monte Carlo. Make sure to check it out for a comprehensive guide to starting your Monaco journey. In this video, I'll take you to even more incredible places and experiences you can enjoy during your trip. From hidden gems to must-see landmarks, we'll dive deeper into what makes Monaco a unique and luxurious destination. Whether you're a thrill seeker or someone who enjoys the finer things in life, there's something here for everyone. We'll visit some of the most exclusive spots, including luxury hotels, gourmet restaurants, and serene gardens. You'll get insider tips on how to make the most of your stay, ensuring you experience the best that Monaco has to offer. And of course, you'll see plenty of stunning race cars and yachts throughout. The Monaco Grand Prix is not just a race, it's a celebration of speed, elegance, and opulence. The race cars, with their sleek designs and roaring engines, are a sight to behold as they navigate the challenging street circuit. Meanwhile, the harbor is filled with luxury yachts, each more magnificent than the last, offering a glimpse into the lavish lifestyle of the elite. We'll also explore the culinary delights of Monaco, from Michelin-starred restaurants to charming local eateries. The luxury hotels here are not just places to stay, but experiences in themselves, with world-class amenities and breathtaking views. And for those moments when you need a break from the excitement, the serene gardens provide a peaceful retreat. So buckle up and get ready for an unforgettable journey through one of the most glamorous places on Earth. From the thrill of the race to the tranquility of the gardens, Monaco offers a diverse array of experiences that cater to every taste. Before we dive deeper, if you love the stunning shots of Monaco's race cars speeding through the iconic streets and the luxurious yachts docked in the picturesque harbor, please subscribe to Beyond Borders with Chic and hit the bell. Subscribing ensures you stay updated with all our latest content, and hitting the bell means you'll never miss an exciting moment from our next videos. Away from the Grand Prix hustle, the Larvado Promenade offers a tranquil escape from the fast-paced life of Monaco. This picturesque walkway stretches along the stunning coastline, providing breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. The Larvado Promenade is a gorgeous seaside walkway where you can immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the area. The gentle sound of the waves and the soft rustling of the palm trees create a serene atmosphere. It's perfect for a peaceful stroll, whether you're alone, with a loved one, or with family. The promenade is lined with benches where you can sit and take in the view. Enjoy the fresh sea breeze as it gently caresses your face, bringing with it the salty scent of the ocean. The sound of the waves crashing against the shore is both calming and invigorating. Watch the yachts glide by, their sails billowing in the wind as they navigate the clear blue waters. The sight of these luxurious vessels is a reminder of Monaco's opulence and charm. And discover charming cafes along the way, where you can stop for a refreshing drink or a delicious meal. These cafes offer a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of the promenade. The promenade is adorned with lush greenery and swaying palm trees, adding to its natural charm. The well-maintained gardens and flower beds provide bursts of color and fragrance. Benches are strategically placed along the walkway, inviting you to sit and soak in the panoramic views. It's a perfect spot to unwind and watch the world go by. The charming cafes along the promenade offer a variety of culinary delights. From fresh seafood to delectable pastries, there's something to satisfy every palate. Enjoy your meal with a stunning sea view, making your dining experience truly memorable. If you're into modern art, the Nouveau Musée National offers stunning exhibitions set in two beautiful villas, Villa Sauber and Villa Paloma. It's a refreshing cultural break from the adrenaline of Race Week. The museum showcases a diverse range of contemporary art, from thought-provoking installations to interactive exhibits. Both villas also host art workshops and educational programs, making it a vibrant hub for art lovers of all ages. This open-air theater, built into a historic fortress, offers spectacular views of the Mediterranean Sea and the surrounding cityscape. Often hosting free performances during the summer, it's a unique spot where history and culture meet stunning panoramas. The theater's intimate setting allows visitors to enjoy plays, concerts, and other cultural events under the stars, making it a beloved venue for both locals and tourists. For an unforgettable perspective, book a helicopter tour and soar over the race circuit, witnessing the twists and turns from above and the luxury yachts gliding through the harbor. Marvel at the sparkling Mediterranean coastline with its pristine waters and stunning vistas. It's the ultimate way to capture Monaco's beauty from above. This peaceful cathedral is not only architecturally beautiful, with its stunning stained glass windows, detailed carvings, and an ornate altar, but also serves as the final resting place of Prince Rainier III and Princess Grace. It's a quiet spot for reflection amid the Grand Prix excitement, offering a serene escape with its grand organ playing softly in the background. Nestled inside the luxurious Monte Carlo Bay Hotel, Blue Gin offers an ambiance of chic sophistication, with stunning views over the water, perfect for sipping expertly crafted cocktails while watching the sunset. The bar's elegant setting is complemented by the sight of race cars driving by, adding a unique thrill to your evening. Fontvieille is Monaco's modern district with a marina filled with sleek yachts, boutique shops, and casual restaurants. The marina is a haven for luxury yachts, offering stunning views and a serene environment. The boutique shops provide a unique shopping experience with exclusive brands and local crafts. The casual restaurants serve a variety of cuisines, making it a perfect spot for a relaxed meal. It's less crowded during Grand Prix week and offers a laid-back atmosphere. A serene escape, the Japanese garden features tranquil landscaping with meticulously pruned trees, vibrant flowers, and peaceful rock arrangements. The koi pond, filled with colorful fish, adds to the garden's charm. Lovely walking paths wind through this oasis, offering a perfect retreat to calm your senses after a busy day at the race. Car lovers will adore the private collection showcasing classic and rare automobiles, a fitting tribute to Monaco's racing heritage. The collection features iconic models like a vintage Ferrari, a rare Bugatti, and a classic Aston Martin. Each car is meticulously maintained, reflecting the prince's passion for automotive excellence. From the detailed interiors to the powerful engines, every vehicle tells a story of innovation and elegance. For the best panoramic views of Monaco and the Mediterranean, hike or drive up to the Tête de Chien cliff. From here you can see the entire cityscape, the winding Grand Prix circuit, and the sparkling blue waters of the Mediterranean. Watching the sun set over the Grand Prix circuit and yachts below is magical. The golden hues of the sunset cast a warm glow over the entire scene, making it a perfect spot for photography and relaxation. And that wraps up this incredible journey through Monaco during the Grand Prix 2025. We've seen the city come alive with the roar of engines and the excitement of fans from all over the world. From the historic streets to the luxurious yachts, Monaco offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity that is truly captivating. We've shared survival tips to help you navigate the bustling streets and find the best spots to watch the race. Beyond the race, Monaco is a treasure trove of amazing places to explore. Whether you're wandering through the charming old town, visiting the Prince's Palace, or relaxing at the Larvado Beach, there's something for everyone. If you enjoyed the stunning race cars, luxurious yachts, and all things Monaco, you'll love the vibrant nightlife and exquisite dining options that the city has to offer. From Michelin-starred restaurants to cozy cafes, Monaco's culinary scene is as diverse as it is delicious. Please give this video a like if you found it helpful or entertaining. Your support helps us create more content that you love. Subscribe to Beyond Borders with Chic to stay updated on our latest adventures. We have so many exciting destinations and experiences lined up for you. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We post new videos regularly, and we wouldn't want you to miss out on any of the fun. I'll see you in the next adventure. Until then, keep exploring beyond borders. Whether it's the bustling streets of a new city or the serene landscapes of a hidden gem, there's always something new to discover. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we can't wait to share more with you. Safe travels and happy exploring.